What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another episode of MicroStudio. I'm your instructor, Garen Belaney. A common question I'm getting is, how much is my MicroStudio? Well, MicroStudio is as much as you want to invest in, as technology has a range of prices. You can spend hundreds of thousands of dollars, or you can spend hundreds of dollars. I like to work with clients who put huge value on providing their clients with a premium experience. However, I understand some people are just wanting to look virtually professional. To me, virtually professional is understanding the three pillars: good audio, good lighting, and yes, of course, good visual. I put together 3 MicroStudio kits of different price ranges, and along with providing you with the results of each. The demonstration today is going to be recorded through Vidyard. Vidyard is an amazing platform for simplifying video outreach. I encourage you, if you are interested in learning more about Vidyard, to check out their website, or if you're looking for guidance on how to get that set up, I'm happy to do that for you. So I want to encourage everybody, what I love about MicroStudio and the importance of it is your MicroStudio kit in a bag gives you an opportunity to have a stand leveling your actual camera, giving you the proper angles when showing up virtually professional. So I'm going to go through each result, and of course what we're going to be doing on the first configuration is a $240 configuration of the AverMedia. AverMedia webcam is what I used 2 years ago. This camera separated me from the sea of sameness and allowed me to drive more revenue. 2 years later, this is the most common used web camera, and it is good. However, this setup is not going to separate yourself from your competitors, and it's not going to take you out of the sea of sameness. However, you're going to be able to show up virtually professional. So let's take a quick look at the recording, and you'll be able to see the results of this $240 kit from MicroStudio. Let's check it out.
Hello, my name is Garen Belaney, and I'm the founder of MicroStudio. I work with individuals and organizations to help implement video marketing and cold calling outreach through video to help drive revenue, to help nurture existing clientele, and of course, humanize ourselves when we're cold calling. I would love to have an opportunity to learn more about your organization and see if there's any opportunity for me to help out your organization when implementing video on a regular basis. Please take some time to view my page, as I'm the founder of MicroStudio. This is a podcast in a bag. So not only I talk about the theory and the implementation, I also recommend on what kind of hardware to use to ensure you're providing your clients with a superior experience. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and I hope you have yourself a wonderful day, and I look forward to hearing back from you. Take care.
Awesome. So what we got next is the next configuration. We're going to keep with the AverMedia web camera, but we're going to upgrade it to a Rode microphone. Very common. A lot of people say audio is king. Audio is the best place to put your money, and I can't disagree with that. So the next configuration we're going to be going over to is about a $380 configuration from MicroStudio. It's going to give you your web camera, an external microphone that's not built into the web camera, and of course your lighting set. So let's dive into the results quickly of this $380 set.
Hello, my name is Garen Belaney, and I'm the founder of MicroStudio. I work with organizations and individuals to help them implement video on a regular basis in order to drive success for their personal brand and their company's organization. I want to thank you for watching this video, and if you do have any sort of interest when it comes to video marketing, I encourage you to check out microstudio.design, because along with hardware recommendations, I work with organizations to strategically implement video marketing on a regular basis so their teams can be successful in a remote and a hybrid role. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and I look forward to hearing back from you. Have yourself a great day.
You can tell the audio is significantly different, and I encourage everyone to stay away from using the microphone from their built-in web camera, as it wasn't designed to be the best audio set. Now, of course, you're dealing with Garen Belaney, so I'm going to give you the last MicroStudio kit in what I would consider as a minimum requirement for the MicroStudio kit. This is a standard kit I set up with a lot of my clients, but of course, it comes with a little bit of a price tag difference. So this is your average $1,500 kit. This is what your YouTubers, this is what all of your Joe Rogans, all your professional podcasters are using. So you have a mirrorless camera set up, you have your Shure SM7B, and then of course you have your lighting kit. This is my favorite as far as all the outcomes. Of course, I'm a firm believer is you get what you pay for. Why I love working with high quality equipment, because when you deal with technology, this investment, you're going to be confident knowing it's not going to be outdated in the next couple years. We all know how quick technology moves. So the last thing we want you to do is make an investment only to have to find yourself upgrading in the next couple months and couple years. So anytime I do a recommendation with MicroStudio, it's going to assure you that the equipment that you're getting is of the best value. And of course, you're not going to have to worry about upgrading in the coming years. So let's take a quick look at this demonstration and we'll see how the results turn out. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning into this page. My name is Garen Belaney, and I'm the founder of MicroStudio. I work with organizations and individuals to help implement video outreach, cold calling outreach on a regular basis in order to drive revenue, create more of a personal experience with existing clientele, and of course, get better results when you're using cold calling via video. I am the founder of a company called MicroStudio. MicroStudio is a podcast in a bag. So along with hardware configurations, theory, strategy on video, and implementation with your team, I'm the individual for you. So I encourage you to check out microstudio.design. And if you do have any interest in having myself as an instructor for your team, as I'm confident I'll have the ability to implement video and have your team embrace video to allow them to get more revenue and, of course, bring in more revenue within your organization. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and I hope you have yourself a wonderful day. Take care. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for tuning in to this demonstration of MicroStudio. You just completed watching 3 MicroStudio kits. If yourself or if your organization is wanting to become better on implementing video on a regular routine for your sales division, for yourself, I would love to work with your organization. I would love to learn more about some of the struggles you're finding when it comes to implementing video. Is it the scarcity of equipment? Is it the worry of the post-production? Or perhaps you haven't even looked at that as an opportunity. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this demonstration. I'm your instructor, Garen Belaney, and I hope you have yourself a wonderful day. Take care.